Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Oh man, we got the Monte Carlo SS over there. I'm gonna do, I guess, my second mod to this car. Already messed around with the exhaust a little bit, so I got it sounding right, I got it sounding good. We're gonna get to that later, but this is what I finally got. We're gonna do some work under the hood, just a little bit. Pop the hood. Look what I got though, y'all. Yeah, boy. I went the cheap route. Y'all know me. I don't got money like that, y'all. Right, Melly?
Right.
But yeah, hey, it even matches you. Hold it.
Oh, it does.
Ta-da.
You know?
Yeah,
hey.
So we're gonna pop this out. Take this old one off. Take this little sensor out. Well, really, I was supposed to just pop this thing out. The hardest thing is this. Getting this out of that damn rubber and pushing it in this rubber. That's the hardest part, pushing it up in there. To me, all this shit just comes straight off. I'll probably pop these off, make it easier. Take this off, and pop that off.
Okay, so to the subscribers that are gonna say why this one instead of the K&N, other than the price, why don't you guys tell us what's the difference other than the price and the name brand?
She's basically saying performance-wise. Which one? I mean, they both breathe the damn same. They're both gonna filter the same. The only difference that I noticed that when you try to wash these, they don't hold up as much as the K&N after you wash them. Before as putting them, putting them on and having them work on the Monte Carlo. I can't speak for other cars or whatever, but I know for sure on the Monte Carlo there is no difference. Yeah. That's all I can say. I don't know about Camaro, Challengers, Chargers, Mustangs, Corvettes. I don't know, but I know this cheap one works the damn same. We had K&N ones, and they look cool. It's the name brand, man. I'm not really big on name brands, man. Ain't none of my clothes is name brand. Hey, you gotta get the back though, man. It says Lucky Wasn't Bills on the back, man.
Oh.
Y'all make sure y'all tune in. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But shit, we're gonna get up into this. Get my keys ready.
So you said that's the hardest part, is changing out that tube piece right here? That'll be funny if I could just snap it off, huh? Or not snap it off, let me not break it. Ouch, maybe not.
We got the ratchet. I'm using the 5/16. Pop this off. That's a long ass screw right here. I use 15 for the back one and 13 for the front one. Get it out my way, make it all easier.
What do you say to people that don't have the correct tools, that try to use like pliers? You remember when we used to do that?
I didn't have no damn money.
Right?
It makes the job harder.
Yeah.
Better just go ahead and break down and buy those tools that you need.
It's like, damn, it made it so much easier. Should have been did this, huh, Luck?
Yeah. I ain't know no better. So we're gonna take that screwdriver. Get that screwdriver. Pop that off. This one open up. Pop that off. Oh, it did have a little
K&N in there.
It's not K&N, but it looked like a filter like that. So yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, it's a Spectre.
Spectre.
It had a little bit of something in it.
Yeah. It was cool. It was alright. I wonder why it was a little bit peppy.
Just a little bit.
Ain't nothing like on these 3800s. I don't know about no other cars, but these 3800s, I know for sure it likes these, man. They drive so much better.
Doesn't it put it like 60
right
horsepower? 60 more?
Shit, about 100. About 100 horsepower, about 100. I'm just fucking with y'all.
At least 50 though. At least 50.
I don't know. I don't know how much horsepower it got, but I know it has better reaction. Like, that's all it's about.
It seems like better flow, huh?
Yeah, better flow, man. That's all it's about with these 3800. I'm not trying to make it fast, really. I just want it to drive smooth. I wanted to have that kick when I do hit the gas. I want it to be had a little kick. I want that supercharger kick in. Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, you got that little computer. It came with zip ties and all that. You can zip tie. Usually I don't do. Usually that shit don't even move around. Really, but with zip ties, I'll get a zip tie and zip tie it somewhere. I don't know.
Make it stay still.
Yeah, but usually it ain't gonna go nowhere. I'm gonna pop this shit off. Then I need to get a fucking flathead and push it off. Okay, we got the little flathead. You want to get back here, make it easier to pop this off. God damn. Slide that off. So all you want to do is pop that out. Pop it out of that hole. Take this and push it in this. So this is the part that's kind of hard because sometimes it don't want to go straight in there. See, as you pushing it in, it wants to play around and do that shit. So after hours and hours putting this goddamn rubber piece, that's the hardest thing. I had to kind of tear it up a little bit just to make it fit in there. But it's about right. So what we're gonna do is, look, is this, bam. Put that on there.
Fits right in?
Yeah. It's right on top of that. Let me get it up on there. God damn.
Oh.
Okay.
Damn, that shit goes on hella easy.
Right there. Of course, you put this up there and need to open it up some. But it's pretty much tight on there. Yeah. Let's hear the exhaust too. Sounds way better. Go ahead. Sounds way better than when I was at the muffler shop. I pressed the gas. I know y'all heard that supercharger. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm trying to get. Y'all want that wine? I know y'all hear that wine. Go, do it again. Yeah. And that's just having it revved up. Just imagine when I'm going down the road. Y'all gonna have to see that in other videos. Yeah. Put all this back together, man. Sound right? Man, that's just a little cheap, little $30. Paid $30 for that on eBay. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Dizzle, and I'm out. Yay!